Hey folks, Brett with Grafted Branch here. We're getting ready to head to Miller's Rustic Sawmill in King City, Missouri. They're having a Sawdust Fest today, and first time they've ever done it. Not sure what to expect, but we're going to get it on video.
Right.
So if you do any painting on the wood, or if you do any painting at all.
Yeah.
So, but I like the faded wood for the most part.
They're neat.
So, this one is a knot wood.
Is it not?
Okay.
So this is the room with their bigger slabs, all live edge. I mean, they do boards too, dimensional lumber. So you can see the prices on there. For the most part, I think you can see them. Like this is a 2-inch thick piece of sycamore, 6 foot long. Probably the narrowest is about 16 inches, widest is probably 22, and you can see the comparison. It's $140. That's kiln dried, flattened. That's a pretty good price. We've got crazy stuff like this catalpa. That piece is $85 for an 8 foot long piece of catalpa that's looks like it's an inch thick. That'd be some beautiful cutting boards right there. Absolutely beautiful. And they've got an 1.5 inch thick, almost 2 inch thick piece there too. And then there's tulip poplar. It's got to be 3 feet down here at the bottom. Probably 2 feet at the top. Looks like it's 10 foot long, maybe 11, $875, and that's a 3-incher. That's a lot of board feet in that thing. She sure is pretty. That'd be a heck of a bar or countertop or something. So yeah, they got a big variety here. A lot of walnut. They do a lot of walnut. So you a wood burning extraordinaire? Is that what this is?
You know, I try to be.
So what are you making there?
This is a Northwestern Missouri State Bobcat.
Ah, okay.
And when I'm finished, it'll look like that Kansas City burning.
No, there's more detail in that.
Oh yeah, there's a lot more detail on this.
But this looks really good.
Yeah,
I like
turned
that.
out really nice.
Yeah.
Got a lot of shading to do on this.
Yeah.
So this will have.
Yeah, it's on that's an old sewing machine trestle.
Yeah, I make.
Now we know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Well, I make bar carts. This is actually a aquarium stand.
Okay.
And
I like it.
I turn them into bar carts, and I got some pictures of some of them.
All right.
Yeah, so I just try and take frames of old things. This is a bar card as well.
I'm assuming this is your card.
That's my card, yeah.
All right. Just get that on camera too, you know.
Okay.
I'll take the card with me, of
Yeah,
course.
no, feel free.
Well, so that everybody can see your address when all like 15 people. Will be able
Oh,
to
yeah. That's not how I roll too.
So we're here in King City visiting the Sawdust Fest, and we stopped for an iced coffee. There's a coffee shop right across the street. I don't know if you can see the sign out there, but out the window there's a sign for Miller's Rustic Sawmill. So it's literally right across the street. Nice little place. Very family oriented, and the coffee's really good. So we got 2 iced coffees. It was 6 something. Of course, mine wasn't, but We're enjoying ourselves.
I would need a large.
Oh, there's 3 more shirts there. We just got out here to the sawmill. They're flying our nation's colors, praise the Lord. And they got a lot of wood stacked up here. So I don't know if he's already started the presentation or not, but let's get in there.
Grab the board, they don't go forward. So they grab the board and pull the board back. That's the board return.
With that saw?
36 inch is how wide you can cut, or how big of a wall.
Yeah,
It'll make a
that's what I
28
meant,
inch
yeah,
cut.
yeah.
It'll make a 28 inch.
Mm.
We could hear this thing pull down.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So speaking of grain, does Walnut have a very good quarter sawn, or?
It does. Well, this is quarter sawn right here.
Okay.
But to me, like your maples and stuff like that, it gets that really big rays.
Yeah.
This has the real small
It's
rays.
small rays, okay.
It's harder to see.
Yeah.
You know, like I love
I know.
sycamore.
Yeah, I was just gonna say sycamore
And
quarter sawn's awesome.
Oak quarter sawn,
Yeah.
got the
Looks-
big tiger stripe,
yeah.
that shine in it. you
Yeah.
know. Walnut really don't have that.
Okay. This is how he planks out his wood and then puts it on these pallets, unstickered, and then bands it just to kind of help hold it all in place. I think mainly for when they're moving it around. And he does this, he dries it like this for 6 to 8 months and then pops them in his kiln and gets really nice stuff. I'm amazed that without using stickers and extra straps, how well his stuff's turning out. I mean, it was beautiful stuff in the shop. So anyway, that's kind of how more of a commercial guy does it. And so I enjoyed coming out today. This was the Sawdust Fest 2022 at Miller's Rustic Sawmill. So it's been a good time. I really enjoyed that chainsaw artist, and got his number and name and stuff. I'll post that. I'll put that down in the description if anybody's interested in getting some stuff from him. Yeah. Thanks y'all for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Come back and see us.